Based on current trends and developments, here are 10 technologies that could be innovative in 2023. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI is expected to continue to advance and become even more integrated into our daily lives, with new applications in fields such as healthcare, finance, and customer service. 5G networks. The rollout of 5G networks is expected to pick up pace in 2023, bringing faster and more reliable mobile internet to consumers. Virtual and augmented reality, VR/AR. VR and AR are expected to become more widely adopted in industries such as gaming, education, and retail. Internet of Things, IoT. The growth of connected devices and the IoT is expected to continue, leading to new innovations in areas such as smart homes and cities. Blockchain technology. Blockchain is expected to become more widely used for applications such as secure digital identity and supply chain management. Autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles are expected to become more common on our roads, bringing new levels of convenience and safety. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is expected to make significant advancements in the next few years, with potential applications in fields such as cryptography and drug discovery. 3D printing. 3D printing technology is expected to become more widespread and accessible, with new applications in fields such as medicine and manufacturing. Robotics and automation. The use of robotics and automation is expected to continue to grow in industries such as manufacturing, agriculture, and logistics. Renewable energy. Renewable energy technologies, such as solar and wind power, are expected to continue to advance and become more affordable, helping to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. This is just a prediction based on current trends, and new and unexpected technologies could emerge in the coming years.